When it comes to MBA programs, you are often thinking about or anticipating that you will be stuck in a classroom throughout the whole day and you want to be able to work during the day. I was surprised to find a school that had an opportunity for me to take classes in the evening. With Touro, since the classes are in the evening, it made it more accessible to focus in on the classes at the evening time while attending work needs during the day.
Dr. Mary Lowe Ray, Dean at TouroCollege Graduate School of Business, believes that students should be allowed and encouraged to learn according to their preferences and needs, and that when they're given the chance to do so, they experience greater success once they've received their degree or advanced certificate.
We have to remember that students have to juggle between work, life, and school. And they just have to strike a balance between all three of them. So we need to sort of provide them with an opportunity to learn in a variety of different modalities. And we offer classes in the evening. We offer them on Sundays. We offer them online, hybrid. We also use teleconferencing to quote-unquote Zoom people in. We have the students do role-playing. We have the students do simulations to engage the students and give them a more holistic type of approach to learning.
No longer is this type of education held to the constraints of traditional schedules and one-dimensional learning environments. For those with a zeal for curiosity, an open mind, and a willingness to change their way of life, classrooms like this are a gateway to success.
TouroCollege has dual interlocking missions. The first is to preserve and promote the Jewish heritage through education. The second mission is to provide education in places that we see gaps in terms of community need and student need, where Touro's unique style of education can make a difference for students. What Touro does, we think better than anybody else, is despite its size, in small, focused classes, we make sure that each student can achieve her or his potential. And we're very proud of the fact that we have an enormously successful placement of students in the job market and a tremendous acceptance rate to graduate and professional programs.
The reason why I chose food safety as a career path is because growing up, I always had a love and passion for food. When I came to New York and I learned more about this infectious diseases and how it can affect the food and how the food can affect people, I knew that it is a must to keep the standards at a high level, especially in a metropolitan city like New York City. With having a science background and not really understanding business, Touro gave me the opportunity to actually explore how business works in healthcare. Because I got the opportunity during the evening time to take the evening classes, it gave me another opportunity to also continue working full-time and exploring all the things I need to as a business individual.
Located in the heart of New York City, TouroCollege brings together the best of education under one roof. Academically qualified faculty practitioners who bring real-world experience into the classroom, flexible and accessible class schedules, lifelong career tools with an on-site career resource center, and affordable tuition with low fees, scholarships, and graduate assistantship opportunities.
Outside of the classroom, we also have a lot of supports for our students. The Graduate School of Business has a wonderful career resource center that is directed by one of our faculty members, a wonderful professor who has been in the human resources management field for many, many years. And he makes sure that students get good internships, that they get very good jobs. He prepares them with interview skills, how to present themselves, and how to really do their job well once they're out in the field.
What's exciting is recently Touro ascertained the Bloomberg terminal, which our students love and our faculty is enamored with. We constantly share it among ourselves, and it's a wonderful way to get real-time data. In addition to that, our introduction of new certificate programs, one in human resources, the SHRM program, the CPA program, and the Small Business Association certificate.
Touro's Graduate School of Business prepares our students to be practice-ready professionals when they graduate. Our students are leaders in the business community in all different disciplines, in accounting, in finance, and soon to be in real estate. We also have a great new program, a master's and a certificate in healthcare management. This is a fast-growing field. because, as you may know, the Administration on Aging says that by the year 2030, there are going to be more people over age 65 than under age 15. This is going to be a fast-growing business need for our society.
Being an international student, I never felt that I'm not from this community. We have this international student department that is always willing to help us. The classes are very interactive. The dean, the faculty, the professors, they are always helping. Tremendously great people. So I always feel welcomed. I would really like to thank TouroCollege to make me feel like home far from the home.
It's never too late to learn. I know I was a return to school student, a mom with a business, and I know that if I did it, anybody else can do it. So I would encourage you to come and call us or come to campus, visit one of our classrooms, and help us explore your career goals and opportunities.